Hello, my name is Alexander, and welcome to my channel. And on the channel you can expect to see videos of tech products, my opinions mostly on them, and sometimes I'll do my opinion on a new tech product that has come out, whether I think it's worth it or not. I will be posting drone videos about 3D printing, sometimes how to design a 3D printable object or an STL file of something. Sometimes I will give a tutorial or video telling what something related to technology is and how it works. And so thanks for watching.